Hello students, we have completed till chapter number 3, okay, and we conducted a test for that chapter number 3. Most of the students perform very well. Today we will start chapter number 4, that is altitudes and medians of a triangle. We are not going to learn any concept of this chapter. We will learn that concept simultaneously solving the questions, okay. So let's start practice at 4.1, okay, in which first question is given in triangle LMN. Here we have given a triangle LMN, okay, and dash 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 is an altitude. Here we in first question we have to solve like in the fill in the blanks question, okay. Here we have given a space in which we have to fill that answer, okay. So here we have asked about altitudes and median. First we will learn what is meant by altitudes and what is meant by median. Altitudes mean height, okay. Altitudes means height. Height means that it is the distance between height means that it is the distance between below point to the top point, okay. नीचे से ऊपर तक के पॉइंट के जो बीच का डिस्टेंस होता है उसी को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, हाइट मीन्स दैट एल्टीट्यूड, ओके. सो हियर नीचे क्या है, एम एन. सो नीचे वाले जगह से ऊपर क्या है, यहाँ पे पॉइंट एल. सो नीचे से ऊपर का जो डिस्टेंस होता है उसी को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं यहाँ पे, हाइट मीन्स दैट एल्टीट्यूड, ओके. एंड मीडियन मीन्स दैट, मीडियन में टर्म आ रहा है मिड, ठीक है. सो मीडियन क्या होता है, एक लाइन होता है जो कहाँ से किसी भी एक पॉइंट से पास होता है, किसी भी एक एंगल से पास होता है, ठीक है. उस एंगल से वो पास होकर के सामने वाले साइड को दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करेगा, मींस दैट सामने वाले साइड के मिड पॉइंट से वो पास होगा, ठीक है. सो मीडियन इज अ लाइन दैट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम एन एंगल and divides to the opposite side of that angle into two equal parts, means that it passes through midpoint to that side, okay. So here midpoint का meaning क्या है, जो point उस segment को दो equal part में divide करता है, ठीक है. So here altitudes की एक और property देख लेते हैं. altitudes हमेशा perpendicular होता है, ठीक है. कहाँ से कहाँ तक का, टॉप पॉइंट से बॉटम वाले पॉइंट के जो ज्वाइन करेगा लाइन, वो लाइन कैसी होगी, परपेंडिकुलर होगी, ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे कौन सी लाइन परपेंडिकुलर होती है, कौन सी लाइन परपेंडिकुलर दिख रही है, परपेंडिकुलर मीन्स 90 डिग्री. कौन सी लाइन दिख रही है यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री की, एल एक्स, ठीक है. तो एल एक्स क्या हो गया है हमारा यहाँ पे, एल्टीट्यूड, ठीक है. और यहाँ पे मीडियन कौन सा दिख रहा है, एल वाई, ठीक है. क्लियरली यहाँ पे विजिबल है कि जो सेगमेंट एल वाई है वो एम एन साइड को दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, लेकिन एल एक्स डिवाइड कर रहा है क्या, नहीं, ठीक है. सो हियर एल्टीट्यूड्स मीन्स दैट द लाइन विच इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द अपोजिट लाइन, अपोजिट साइड. सो हियर वी विल राइट दैट सेगमेंट कौन सा परपेंडिकुलर है, एल एक्स. सो वी विल राइट दैट सेगमेंट एल एक्स, ओके, इज एन एल्टीट्यूड. और मीडियन के लिए क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग, सेगमेंट एल वाई. सो हियर वी विल राइट दैट सेगमेंट ly is a median, okay. Let's start question number 2, okay. Read question number 2. What is given here, draw an acute angle triangle PQR, okay. Here we have to draw a triangle which names that PQR, okay, and the triangle should be acute angled, okay. Here comes that angle, and we know that there are three types of angle generally we deal with. First one is acute angle. Acute angle means that the angle which is less than 90 degree, okay. And second one comes that right angle. Right angle means that the angle whose measures equal to 90 degree, okay, that angle is known as right angle. And third one, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means that the angle whose measures is more than 90 degree, okay. The angle which is less than 90 degree is acute, and more than 90 degree obtuse, equal to 90 degree right angle, okay. So here we have to draw acute angle triangle PQR. Draw all of its altitudes means that we have to draw all the heights, okay, from all the angles. name the point of concurrence as O. Point of concurrence, okay, means that where the point at which these three altitudes will intersect each other. Okay, firstly we will draw triangle PQR. So here triangle should be altitude, or triangle should be acute angle, means that all the angles should be less than 90 degree. Okay, as we are able to see here, all the angles are less than 90 degree. We name as PQR. Okay, all the angles are less than 90 degree. And then okay, we have to draw here altitudes. So and we know that the altitudes is perpendicular to the base side. So first we will draw from point P, and it should be perpendicular. So here we draw and we name here as A. So here PA is the altitudes at side QR. Okay, and from this side, from this angle at the side of PQ, we have to draw a perpendicular. Okay, so here we will name here that B, and we will make the sign of perpendicular. When we complete by drawing two altitudes, then in third we will pass the altitudes from the intersection point of two altitudes. Okay, by randomly, because all the altitudes of a triangle always intersect at a point. Okay, so here this point is known as O. Okay, and the altitudes at side PR, we will place that this point is C. So here we will write that segment, firstly we will write the triangle PQR is an acute angled triangle. Okay, and here segment PA and segment QC and segment RB is altitudes. Okay, here R, because it is more than 2. Okay, so here segment PA, QC and RB are altitudes, and what is the point of intersection? O. So here point O is the point of concurrence. Okay, we have to draw only this figure in the examination. Okay, we wrote this statement for the description of this figure. Okay, here we have completed till question number 2. Okay, solve all the question which we done today 2 times. Okay, from question number 3 we will do it tomorrow. Okay, thank you.